The 2027 Honda Fury continues to stand out as one of the most unique factory-built choppers on the market. With its stretched-out design, low stance, and premium finish, it perfectly blends classic custom styling with Honda's trusted engineering. Engine and performance power comes from a proven 1,312 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled V-twin engine that delivers smooth torque and relaxed highway cruising. The 5-speed transmission provides dependable performance, while the fuel injection system ensures consistent throttle response and efficient operation. Design: the Fury features a long 45-degree rake, a slim fuel tank, a low 26.9-inch seat height, and a distinctive front-end design. Chrome accents, lightweight aluminum wheels, and a wide rear tire give it an unmistakable custom look straight from the factory. Features: the 2027 model includes a digital instrument display, a low-maintenance shaft drive, reliable disc brakes with ABS, and Honda's well-known reputation for durability. Its comfortable riding position makes it a great choice for weekend cruises, as well as longer highway rides. Expected price and availability: Honda has not officially announced pricing yet. However, the 2027 Fury is expected to start at around $12,000 to $13,000, depending on the market and any optional accessories. Availability is expected through authorized Honda dealerships following its official launch. Conclusion: the 2027 Honda Fury remains a stylish choice for riders seeking authentic chopper looks without sacrificing reliability. It combines timeless design, dependable performance, and everyday usability, making it a standout cruiser in its class. Thanks for watching the Auto Explorer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more automotive updates.